Hi, friends. So today we are going to learn how to ask someone in Bisaya. So let's say you want to ask Anna for coffee out on Thursday. So first you have to ask if Anna is vacant on that day. So you'll say, Anna, bakante ka sa Webes? Again, the phrase to say is, Anna, bakante ka sa Webes? And then you just change it depending on the day or date you'd like to ask the person out. And of course, Anna would look in her calendar and say, "Oh, nga no, yes, why?" And then you'll tell her, "Imbitahon," or you can also say, "Hagadon unta tika magkape." Again, the phrase is imbitahon o hagadon. So you can either choose either way, imbitahon or the word hagadon, unta tika magkape. Then you can change that one if you want to invite somebody, for example, to go to the beach. You can say, hagadon unta tika maligo sa dagat. Like, I'd like to invite you for a beach with me, to go to the beach with me. You can also use the same phrase for example, you'd like to invite someone for a birthday party or a fiesta. So the same phrase works. For example, in a fiesta, imbitahon unta tika sa among fiesta. I'd like to invite you to our fiesta. So again, the phrases to use. The first one that when you're asking, bakante ka sa, and the day or the date. And then the reason, imbitahon, unta tika, para sa, or you can also say, hagadon, unta tika, mag, and then the action, what would you like to do? Magkape, have coffee, maligo sa dagat, go to the beach, or anything you'd like to invite the person for. Hope you learned something new today. This is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!